Enhance's Optimisation Boost is designed to highlight three main areas where your organisation can look to save money on Microsoft 365 licenses, drive user adoption, or get return on investment in the licenses you already have. With Optimisation Boost, you'll get access to this dashboard that shows you the potential surplus licenses your organisation has, where you can reharvest and reuse licenses, and where you can optimise the licenses that you've already purchased. You can drill into each one of these to get more insight. If we select the surplus license tab here, you'll see the license type along with the potential cost saving that you've got, and it will value those for you. If we move on to optimization, it will look at the current user, the services that they're using along with the licenses assigned, and recommend an alternative Microsoft license product. If we move into the reharvest tab, here you'll see users that are no longer using those licenses, which licenses they have assigned, the date last used, but more importantly the potential cost savings. This gives IT and administrators a clear view where the organisation could potentially save money. This tool also helps IT departments drive user adoption by highlighting products and services within the Microsoft 365 stack where users are not actively using the products. If we select Microsoft Teams, here you'll see the ability to look at active and inactive users, but also be able to filter these tables based on private message chat or call counts, export the data into Excel, and do some more analysis on it should you need to. Another good tool for IT admins is the OneDrive section. Again, similar sorts of graphs, but here you can see the storage used. This is a good indication for which users are actively using OneDrive, so that IT admins can clearly tell that users' data is secure and backed up in the Microsoft Cloud. One of the other big important areas is SharePoint, and if we move to SharePoint here, you can see a couple of interesting columns. One is the page view count, but the other one is the storage used. So you can quite easily see, if we scroll down, sites that haven't been accessed or have little views but a lot of storage, allowing IT admins to repurpose and clean up SharePoint sites and storage proactively. The compliance section here integrates with Microsoft Intune and allows you to very quickly see which users have devices that aren't compliant, along with the quantity of devices, again allowing IT admins to very quickly and easily target those users to ensure devices remain secure and compliant. By taking up Optimisation Boost, you'll also have access to the Secure Score reports, which leverage the Secure Score tools within Microsoft 365. The advantage of this over using standard Microsoft technology tools is that it allows you to add commentary and details to mitigate risks that Microsoft identify, giving you a more rounded and informative solution. At the top of the report, you'll very clearly see the number of actions that need to be reviewed and the number that have been completed. This helps IT management teams drive continuous improvement and enables them to improve the security posture of the organisation's Microsoft 365 implementation. If I move to the bottom of the report, here you'll see a graph that rates the actions by the most positive impact. So if we look at this, if you enabled multi-factor authentication on this particular customer, you would improve the secure score by 4%. Optimisation Boost gives you time with our cloud services consultants to address issues around three key areas. The first being identity and compliance, and we can review things like conditional access, impersonation protection, Microsoft Teams meeting policies, and enterprise apps. Secondly is endpoint and device management, and we'll review things like encryption, allow you to set and enforce specific policies, and control the Microsoft Store. And finally around security, where we'll focus on administration roles on accounts, delegated admin permissions, and partner access, as well as reviewing guest access and setting up external sharing and Azure portal access.